Hi everybody, my name is Vladimir Smerkis and you're watching Token News. We'll see what happened to the cryptocurrencies market this week. We start with market stats. Overall market sentiment is volatility and caution. Market cap of crypto assets as of December 1st is $302 billion. But during this week, the market cap hit the record high at $343 billion. Bitcoin dominance is 56%, just about average figure for this month. Exchanges exhibit record turnover. It went up from average levels of $10 to $12 billion up to 25. Mind-blowing, right? Exchanges in the US and South Korea are still major leaders. Traditional markets are also in a good mood. S&P and Dow Jones reached historic heights. Out of top 10 crypto assets, attention is clearly attracted by Cardano. It grew 300% over this week. It's like shooting through the roof. And we also have to point out Genesis Vision. What a great performance, guys. It grew from ICO during 2 weeks almost tenfold from its ICO proceeds of $2.6 million. For comparison, Tokenbox just finished its ICO raising more than $8 million. A very nice result. Both companies are developing infrastructure for trading and fund management on the crypto markets. Tokenbox will be listed on exchanges in December 2017. That's very soon. Okay, and now to the news. This week, Bitcoin brought the biggest one. On November 29th, it broke through the $10,000 ceiling for the first time. And it's a wow! Wow! And on the same day, it reached $11,400. The $10,000 threshold was a psychological milestone. When Bitcoin price went to the 5-figure number, it signified a new stage. The previous stage, starting at the moment when Bitcoin price went over $1,000, lasted for 4 years. Will the price stay above $10,000? Will the market accept such price range?
I don't know.
If that happens, Bitcoin will be regarded by a bigger number of investors as a means to save and multiply their capital, without any correlation of the classic markets of currencies, commodities and stocks. Nevertheless, on this day, Bitcoin witnessed a sharp decline along with the whole market as well. This was caused by several hours of interruptions in the work of exchanges, which took place in the evening of November 29. Coinbase, GDAX, Gemini, Bitstamp and many other exchanges went down for a little while. They crashed under the amount of people who wanted to sell or buy those. 20% down from literally nothing. In general, the global decline has no basis. The manipulations on the market are still limited. Until there's a trading in Bitcoin and not the futures on Bitcoin. By the way, we already know the date when CME Group will launch a futures on Bitcoin. It's December 18th. After that, we expect the increase of market manipulations. Is there a sense in buying it right now? Well, I have to remind you that Bitcoin surpassed the mark of $1,000 in 2013. After that, the price went down and only 3 years later, it surpassed this mark again. Well, history would not necessarily repeat itself. The cryptocurrency market has become more liquid, so you have to understand for how long you would be buying a Bitcoin. If we're talking about a long-term investment, you will have to do it.
Do it!
Do it on a regular basis in different points of time. Try to acquire as lower average price of purchase as possible. If you are thinking about 2 or 3 months, then you have to buy it during the correction, which we are seeing right now. Well, that's it for today. Let's see if we get closer to the moon next week. Happy to see you. Well, that's it for today. Let's see if we get closer to the moon next week. Happy trading. Bye.